2014 Nissan Maxima. We spent a whole half hour looking for this. I ran the as you can see right there, this metal little flexible ball, you can call it, or you can call a coat hanger. You can push it through here to the left, but you want to lift this air filter up so you can reach your hand, so you can pull it, because earlier we push it, we couldn't find this because it gets stuck somewhere down the metal behind there. So this is how you do it. Once you do it, you have someone to be in the front, and you make a loop right here and put the wire up there, and then you spray a little bit of the D40, just a little bit, not too much, because it's gonna melt. As you can see, I'm gonna spray a little bit right there so it'll go through easier. I was trying to do all kinds of different things earlier, but I wasn't sure. I didn't had time to look for the helps on YouTube. Okay, go ahead and pull it. So hopefully this go through okay. I did spray that. It should be easy, I hope. Oh yes, he got it through. He got it through. I like that. Yep. So yep, you got it through. You run it here. You're gonna tap the wire right there to the speaker of over here. I'm gonna run it through right there. So we'll basically push it through, the power wire through right here. So when you hook up the amp, you're gonna be doing right here, the red one, you're gonna hook it up to the positive side of the amp. It will say battery or B+. And then you got the remote, this blue one right here. And then you're gonna need this blue is gonna be a ground. So you're gonna tap with this black wire right there to the negative of the amp. And that's it. And then hook up the speaker to the amp. I mean, you know, the amp to the speaker, you're good. Simple as that.
Just sit right here.
I would know. I would sit right here. I would sit the amp. No. Open this up. Open this whole thing up right there. There's a pull switch on the back or something like that. Yep. So put the amp right here. But be careful. You be careful. Mount the amp because you don't want to run through. You want a short screw, and that's it. If the small amp, you can put it right here. If it's small, I don't know how big your amp is. Or you can put it on the box right there if you want, but I would put it right here, you know. It's a little bit short right there. Maybe right here, it's up to you, you know.
Well, don't screw it onto the amp.